Sorry, neighbors. I hate this part. This scrape is nasty. Work, boys. Oh, my nozzle. Actually doesn't look bad. It's not too bad at all. We got the beamers out here. 1 M3, 2 M3, 3 M3, 4 M3. Hey, you said Hector's valve slapped, right?
Yeah, his valve slapped.
Yeah, he got his valve slapped.
Yeah, you can see the print.
Oh, you can see the print. You can see the.
Why is this shit not working?
Oh. Y'all still trying to get that done? Look, look at his face.
Where's the? How are y'all even feeling the latch? Where's the latch?
It's like inspiring. And if it's new.
Jesse!
What?
This is one light!
What?
For $1,400!
Well, I mean, it's a BMW. What do you expect?
Bro,
Look.
the fucking OEM lights are more than that.
It's a BMW.
The ones that he has?
What?
If you buy
Tell him.
BMW, 1,400 is a lot of difference.
What the f? Come on, man.
$400 is a downpipe.
I think I paid like $300 for a set on the Genesis.
Yeah, there's no modules in there. Bro, John said he gets 3 pulls and this shit's empty.
How big is this tank?
Got the same thing?
Got the same tank.
Two nozzles like gigantic.
There's no way he's getting 3 pulls.
Well, I mean, you did say you said he was
You get 3 pulls on a 3-gallon tank?
but he was spraying all the meth though.
Yeah, same tank.
He was spraying an ungodly
Just push it all to the back.
fucking meth, dude.
Yeah, same tank.
He was spraying.
Yeah, yo, we installed the same kit.
This
snow
is
kit.
full, bro. Look, it's still full.
No way.
Look at that. This is full.
Oh, it is pretty up there.
It's full.
What?
What you need to do is make it come on at
I had it set to 7.
full.
Oh,
Full at 7.
Radar detector, bro?
Where's the bucket?
Yeah, is
Let's go.
that yours?
Let's go, bucket.
No? Okay, it's mine then.
Where's the bucket?
Where's the bucket?
Fucking
I've been
bucket.
asking this man for a bucket.
I thought you wanted to reuse it.
No, I don't care. I
You
just
had
do
meth?
I was just about to spray it all out.
No.
Yeah. Hey,
Whoa. What?
Yeah.
I don't want it to be flammable, but fuck it.
Gatorade bottle.
Get the bucket. Okay.
No, let's not do that.
Dude, it'll fill that Gatorade bottle fast. Give me the bucket. You know how to purge it?
No.
You gotta hold the button on the left. How do you purge it?
Both buttons. 2 buttons.
Bro, 2 buttons.
Be careful with that bullshit.
It's, look.
Oh, seen the car come roll up? He needs better fitment on his wheels. They're poking too much.
Damn.
In my
That thing nice.
OP.
Is it going anything?
No.
About now.
No.
No.
And that right there's the problem. It's not spraying anything.
You ready for this?
It never was.
Watch out, let me see.
What do you say? Let me see it.
His car's in Houston.
Let me see.
Stays with his white step. Yeah, he's controlling it.
No.
Brain. You don't know?
Something's wrong
What
with
the
him. Something's wrong with him.
Hey, I'm just saying.
It's like the blew up my turbo.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Stop it.
That. Put my car back together, but there is part down there stuck at the bottom of the pan and it needs to go. This dude's headlight's bad. This module, look at this. Who did that? Focus, focus. Did you get your high pressure fuel pump yet?
The soft thing has to be.
You wanna do what? What did you say? Come on, Ish, we got extra work to do. I honestly don't want to drive because that thing is gonna rattle at the bottom of my pan.
You want me to do it?
It's gonna fall out.
No, do what?
LED module, all you gotta do is plug that in on that side, then you know what it is.
You know, it's up to you, bro. I don't
Can you just try that back and plug it? No.
No, you gotta
Yeah,
go
pull the whole
through
thing
wheel,
out.
though. Nah, bro, that's too much. If it was on the lid, maybe.
Let's just fall out the back. Where's that phone stand?
It's mine.
Lord. Oh no. So mad right now.
Decide to kill itself. This is such a nice car.
Did you ask me any of my stuff?
And trying to push shit down this trash can. Hey Rocky, what's up? You say hi? Say what's up? Say what's up? Rex, say what's up? So this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. They'll get a lot better over time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And be on the lookout for the next video. They'll start to come in very soon. I appreciate it.